This is the most neglected maintenance part of a chainsaw. Cleaning your air filter. I know, because I was like that when I first started. Take it off. Make sure it's on full choke so you don't get crap in your cubby. See all the crack coming out of there? That's what your chainsaw's breathing in. We'll take it one step further. So you're going to wash your filter in this water with the Simple Green. This stuff's really good. Give it a wash. You can only need to do this once a week just to get all that fucking built up crap in there out. You can see it all in there. That's what doesn't come out when you're bashing it, so give it a good wash in there. Doing wee bits like this just prolongs the life of everything.